If you're looking for a really simple Valentine's Day recipe, look no further than the chocolate pudding pie from the Sunday Dinner Cookbook. Our favorite thing about this recipe is that the active baking time is only 20 minutes, because let's face it, we're all very busy people, but we still deserve a nice dessert every once in a while. First, we'll make the graham cracker crust, which is 3 cups of crushed chocolate graham crackers, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 5 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. Try to ignore the fact that this looks like ground beef. Press that dough into your pie dish, cover it with tin foil, and pour in some uncooked rice to help weigh that down. Then you'll pop it in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to take a step back into our childhood and make some instant chocolate pudding. This recipe calls for 2 3.5-ounce boxes mixed with 3 cups of whole milk. You're going to stir that until your arm starts cramping or the consistency looks a little bit like this. Now that our crust is done and it's all cooled, we're going to add that filling straight into the pie dish, cover it in some plastic wrap, and then pop that in the fridge for at least an hour or until the jello filling has set. I left mine overnight, so in the morning I cut up some fresh strawberries, and it was time to dive right in. That first cut is always the scariest. You just never really know how it's going to turn out, but this one came out absolutely perfect. And honestly, making that crust from scratch really took this up a notch.